How to make the perfect coffee shake, easy recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make the perfect coffee shake that will kickstart your day and satisfy your caffeine cravings. It's creamy, indulgent, and oh so delicious. Ingredients: 1 cup of brewed coffee, chilled. 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. 1/2 cup of milk. 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional, adjust to taste. Whipped cream, for topping. Chocolate shavings, for garnish. Ice cubes, optional, for a thicker shake. Instructions. Step 1. Brew your favorite coffee and let it cool down to room temperature, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Step 2. In a blender, add the chilled coffee, vanilla ice cream, milk, chocolate syrup, and sugar if you're using it. If you prefer a thicker shake, you can also add some ice cubes. Step 3. Blend everything together until you have a smooth and creamy consistency. Step 4. Pour the coffee shake into a tall glass. Step 5. Top it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream. Step 6. Drizzle some more chocolate syrup on top for that extra indulgence. Step 7. Finish it off with a sprinkle of chocolate shavings for a beautiful presentation. And there you have it, the perfect coffee shake. Creamy, rich, and absolutely irresistible. Now all that's left to do is grab a straw, give it a good mix, and enjoy this heavenly treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.